Okay, I just basically wanted to show something real quick. So I don't know, some tool dealers, whether they know or some of the technicians out there have ever seen basically the super sockets that are made by, as you can see, Mac Tools here. Okay. And in these super sockets, they basically give you the same feature as the Milwaukee 4 flats. Okay. Another thing that I want to point out is, as you can see in these Mac tool sockets, which are 3/8 drive, and they are impact graded, as you can see here, right? These sockets basically have a feature where that they can stack on one another to make an extension. Okay, as you can see, they are made in the USA with anti-roll, easy to finger grip and turn. Slide a wrench on the flats to turn the socket. The sockets stack up to make an extension. Okay, they do have color marketing in large fonts. Thin wall for easy access. Performance better than regular impact. This is the exclusive packaging. Okay, and as you can see, it does meet NSI standards. Okay, if the lens will focus in, as you can see, this is 11 millimeter to 17 millimeter, 12 and 15 and 13 to 19. Okay, so as you can see, it basically gives you a 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 11 millimeter, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, and as you can see here, it gives you a 15, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, the part number on here is SXSSM106TR. Okay, but when you go into the Mac site to basically log in this item number, you will see a different description of sockets, which is basically a Chrome set. Okay, so this is what I mean about sometimes, there be equipment out there, that some of the dealers don't know exist. But as you can see, I'm showing you clear as day. Okay.